what's up? It's Abby here, back on another video. If you're new to the channel, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you get notified whenever I post. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to clean a screen, like a phone screen, whatever, iPad, whatever. So yeah, I'm trying to find like an old iPod or something, because I know we have a really old iPod, just it's somewhere around here. Is that a selfie stick? Ooh, I could use it if my phone will fit in it. As you know, like, phones don't fit in selfie sticks sometimes. Wait. Let's see if we can. Oh yes, don't mind that. Okay, I literally, does this, like, are you supposed to be like some sort of, bro, I literally hate how my finger goes in front of the camera because I'm left-handed and the camera's right. We can't. Okay, well, I cannot find one, but I know where there is a phone. Come on. There's got to be one in here. It's not a phone. It doesn't have to be a phone, by the way, like BTW. It doesn't have to be a phone. Actually, it doesn't have to. It can be an iPad or an iPod. Anything. Maybe we don't. Okay. Well, I did find this weird Samsung iPad thing, so whatever. Okay, so. Oh, there's still two left. You grab yourself a spray can with water in it. Make sure that this little thing isn't loose, or else it'll go for a long shot. Make it tight so it goes for a mist spray. Spray that on. Yay! It might break this, but I don't care, because that's old and nobody uses it. Grab yourself some paper towel. Toilet paper works too. Probably works better, but I am too lazy to get the toilet paper, so yeah, that's way too much water, isn't it? Do not do as many sprays as I did. Definitely don't do that, because that's gonna wreck the iPad or iPhone. Unless you have an iPhone 11 or something, then it's waterproof. Clean with a lot of scratches. Okay, now for this. If it wasn't broken, I would have just went like that. And bippity boppity boo. Now just bring it down slowly. Okay, so let's make this a little bit. What is wrong with this, bro? Gone. Okay. So just ta-da, and just wipe that baby off. But make sure to go in one direction. Don't like just scribble all over. Just like make sure you go just like in one way. And then make sure to clean the edges, because the water would definitely have gotten the edges. And there you go. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.